Good morning children. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to celebrate blue color. Which color? Blue color. Yes, today I will tell you about blue color. Now I will show you some item of blue color. Okay? What is this? Blue color bottle. Yes, which color? Blue color. Blue pen. Highlighter blue pen. Blue pen. Girls, you like it na? Yes. What is this? Blue nail paint. Blue nail paint. Blue cup. Yes, blue cup. Now I have two papers. Can you tell me what is the difference between two papers? One paper is dark blue and one paper is light blue. Dark blue, light blue. And what is blue shape? Yes, blue shape. Dip, dip, dip. My blue ship sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Dip, dip, dip. My blue ship sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Dip, dip, dip. Yes. Now I will show you some picture in blue color. Wow. What is this? Which picture is? Butterfly. Beautiful blue butterfly. Okay. Next picture is, wow, so beautiful. Whale. Blue whale. Water animal. Blue whale. Which bird is? Blue bird. So beautiful na? Blue bird. And some people have blue color eyes. Yes. Yes. Yes, blue color eyes. And I know you all love Doraemon cartoon character. Beautiful na? Doraemon wear beautiful nice dress. Can you tell me what is the color of Doraemon's dress? Blue color. Yes, blue color. Nice na? Now we'll do activity in blue color. First, now we will do activity in blue color. First, we will take 4 size white paper. Now we will draw 3 oval shape on paper. आप पेंसिल से करेंगे क्योंकि मैं आपको दिखाने के लिए ये सब कर रही हूं ना, तो आपको पेंसिल से करना है. ऐसे ओवल शेप को ड्रॉ करेंगे. 3 ओवल शेप को ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे. यस. और बिलो द ओवल शेप क्रॉस, क्रॉस and cross. ठीक है? And curve lines, zigzag curve line like thread. Now take watercolor, use index fingertip, dip into color and fingerprint on the paper like this. ओके. आपको सभी बैलून्स में फास्ट ऐसे, यस, ब्लू कलर डिप, टिप टिप टिप. माय ब्लू शिप sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Wow. Now we will fingerprints in oval shape. And our beautiful balloons are ready. Now fast go bathroom and wash your hands. I hope you like my Blue Day celebration. Okay, bye bye.